Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, A Monk in Cloud. As you have already seen the thumbnail, today we are going to discuss about one of the AWS project that you can build by using different AWS services. So without wasting much time, let's get started. So the project that we are going to build that you are going to build is document management system using version control. So the project description goes like this. In this digital age, the ability to manage documents effectively is critical for businesses of all size. Organizations struggle with maintaining a single source of truth for their documents as they are often scattered across different systems, leading to inefficiencies, security vulnerabilities, and lack of collaborative capabilities. So the goal is to develop a centralized, secure, and a user-friendly document management system that provides version control, access logs, and collaboration tools for enterprise use. So the system must ensure data integrity, support regularity compliance, and enhance productivity through seamless document handling. So few AWS services that you can use are as follows. So one, you can try and use AWS EC2. So you can use this to run the application and the web server also. Second one, you can try using S3. S3 is used for durable document storage with built-in versioning. Number three, you can go with EBS to provide persistent block storage for EC2 instances. Fourth one, you can go with RDS for relational database services to manage the metadata. And of course, IAM to control user access and permissions, and KMS to manage keys used for encrypting the documents. Last but not the least, you can use Amazon CloudWatch for monitoring the system and setting alarms. So at the end, these are the things that you are going to do, and these are the things or takeaways from this project. You will be developing a web-based interface for easy document upload, retrieval, and management. So you also implement version control to track changes and allow rollback to previous versions. So you will also be working on securing the documents using encryption and access controls to protect sensitive information. You'll also work on providing collaboration features such as document check-in, check-out, commenting, and change tracking additional points. Right? So these are the objectives that you can have for this particular project. And I'm sure that this project will take some time for you to implement, but this is not doable at all, right? So we can try and do this also. But if you want me to implement this project on my channel, and if you want me to document the entire process, please let me know in the comment section saying I want you to build this project on this particular channel. I'll make sure to do that by the end of this month, and I'll upload it on my YouTube channel as well. So I'll be looking forward for your comments in the comment section. That's it for this video. If you're liking the content that I'm creating, please consider subscribing and share it across with your friends. Thank you, and I will see you in the next one.